books for preparation of GATE examination. Now firstly, if you have joined any coaching for preparation of GATE, I would highly recommend that you follow your class notes properly and study the reference material provided in detail. This itself will help you score very good in GATE, and you don't need to study from any book. Even if you are preparing on your own, I would suggest to get class notes of some good coaching institute, photocopy, and study from them. However, if you have some doubts or if you have lot of time for preparation of GATE and you solely want to rely on textbooks, the following textbooks are considered very good, which you can follow thoroughly. I will be going subject by subject. For strength of material, you can follow R.K. Bansal or you can follow Timoshenko and Gere. For structure analysis, you can follow Ramamurtham, L.S. Negi, Gupta Pandit, or foreign author like C.K. Wang. These all are good textbooks. For soil mechanics, you can simply go for Gopal Ranjan and Rao. It is a very good book. All concepts are given very clearly. You can simply follow this. Now for RCC design, the first thing, most important thing is you should learn the provisions of IS 456. You can go through the previous year papers and see what all type of questions come in the examination and learn the provisions of IS 456. Then from the point of textbook, you can follow either Pillai Menon or you can follow Varghese. For steel design, you can either follow S.K. Duggal, L.S. Negi or Subramaniam. All these are standard textbooks. For CPM PERT, B.C. Punamiya is good, even Purify is good, the foreign author. For fluid mechanics, you can either follow R.K. Bansal or you can follow Modi and Seth. For environmental engineering, the 2 volumes of S.K. Garg, they are good. You can also follow P.V. Rove, the foreign author, for this. For highway, pavement and traffic engineering, you can follow Khanna Justo. It is a very good book. I have also studied from that only. You can also follow Kadiali. For railway and airport design, there are not a lot of questions that are asked in GATE examination over the past few years from these areas, but still you can follow Arora and Saxena for this. Then from surveying point of view, you can either follow B.C. Punamiya or K.R. Arora. These 2 are good books. From building materials, there are a lot of materials that can be asked. Bricks is asked, timber is sometimes asked, cement and concrete are more commonly asked. For this, you can follow M.L. Gambhir or M.S. Shetty and even B.C. Punamiya. These 3 books you can follow for this building materials section. Now from the point of view of hydrology and open channel, Subramanya books both for hydrology and for open channel respectively. Subramanya is good, you can follow that. No other textbook you can follow. From the point of view of irrigation, you can follow S.K. Garg, it is a good book. And engineering mathematics is one area, it is a very vast subject. B.S. Garewal and Krezig are good, but since it is a very vast area and you need to study some particular topics, I would really suggest that you go for the class notes from some good coaching institute, and that will help you. Thank you and all the best.